Hello everyone, my name is Anupodar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 1, the software problem and software process. So content that we are going to discuss in this video is using process model in the project as well as project management process. Now using process model in the project. While developing a software, the purpose is to develop a software to satisfy the needs of some user or clients, and the project to be done at low cost and cycle time and deliver high software. So whenever we are using a software, the purpose to develop software will be satisfy the needs of the clients. Also, in addition of satisfying the needs, we should come to know that the project should be done at the low cost. Okay. Now, given the constraints of a project, you would like to employ the process model that is likely to maximize the chances of delivering the software. Okay. Now, when you give the constraints of the project, we would like to employ process model. So, process model will be applied for the constraints of the project, so that chances of delivering the software and achieving the quality. So, selecting a suitable process model for a project is a key decision of project manager. So, which project development model should be used must be a key decision of the project manager. So, the selection should be a very useful. Okay, we'll take some of the examples. Now suppose a small team of developers are given a task of building a small auction site for a local university. Now the university administration is willing to spend some time at the start of help to develop the requirements, but their availability will be limited later. Now the team has given 4 months to finish the project and deadline cannot be extended. The auction site will have some essential features, also other features without which system can function easily. Now the next example is that where the customer are in a highly competitive environment where requirements depend on what the competition is doing, and delivering functionality regularly is highly desirable. Now to reduce costs, the customer wants to outsource as much project work as possible to another team in another country. So for this project, you can see the waterfall model is not suitable because the requirements are not even known at the start only. Okay, so iterative enhancement also may not work as it may not be able to deliver rapidly. So we want to deliver the function environment rapidly. Now consider another project where a university wants to automate the registration process. So it already has a database of courses and prerequisites and database of student records. Now here as requirements are well understood, so waterfall model seems to be the best model. Let's go for project management process. Now project management process specifies all the activities that need to be done by the project management. So here it is to only ensure and control the activities of the software development life cycle as well as to ensure that cost and quality are met. Now its basic task to ensure that once a development process is chosen, it is implemented optimally. Now the activities which are used in the management process is divided into 3 phases, that is planning, monitoring and control, termination, analysis. Now planning is the most critical project management activity. Now the goal of this phase is to develop a plan for software development, due to which the objectives of the project can be met successfully and efficiently. A software plan is usually produced before the development activity begins and it is updated as development proceeds. So software plan is usually needed for managing the project. Now project monitoring and control phase is the longest in terms of duration because we have to monitor from the start of the phase. So it covers a major part of the development process. So it includes all the activities of the development to ensure objectives are met according to the development plan. Cost, schedule and quality are the major driving forces. Now project monitoring and control phase is the longest in terms of duration. Now we see what is the temporal relation between development and management process. So this is the diagram which shows the temporal relation. It's an idealized relation showing that planning is done before development begins and termination is done after the development is over. Now during the development from the various phases of development process. Quantitative information flows from to the monitoring and control phase of the management process, which uses the information to exert the control on the development process. So you can see here there is a flow from monitoring and controlling phase. Okay, so the information flows to the monitoring and control phase only. So in this video we have discussed about what process models to use in which project management process, relation between development and management process. Thank you.